This is Helpscreen, and this is how to fix a Disney Plus support error code 73. So, guys, I will give you multiple options to solve this issue. So, for the first option is just simply go to google.com and search for down detector Disney Plus. So, guys, from here you should be able to see if a Disney Plus have a server maintenance. And guys, if Disney Plus have not a server maintenance, just simply go ahead and go for the second solution. Just go to your browser settings, just click on the three dots over here and go to settings. And then from here, just use the search button and search for clear browsing. And then click on this one. And then from here, guys, make sure to toggle these boxes over here, the browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. And make sure to toggle it all the time. And then after that, just click on clear data. And now for the third and last option that you might want to try is just simply go ahead and go to google.com and search for the speed test. So guys, from here, just click on run a speed test. And guys, remember that the minimum speed required for Disney Plus is usually 2 to 3 Mbps. So guys, make sure you have a stable internet connection in order for you to prevent having this kind of issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!